Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I would like to talk about nature, the most beautiful gift that God has given to us. Nature gives us everything we need to live: clean air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and a place to live. Without nature, we are nothing. However, many people forget to take care of it. Forests are being cut down, rivers are getting polluted, and animals are losing their homes. If we keep ignoring this, one day we will destroy the planet that we depend on. So, let's start small, plant more trees, throw garbage in its place, and use less plastic. Together, we can protect our earth and make it a better place for the future generation. Remember, nature doesn't need us, but we need nature. Thank you.